Hi, okay, I'm Jay Archer from Green Jay Landscaping. Welcome to Landscapes for Better Living. And here's my very good friend Dale Hendricks. And
From
Dale,
Green Light Plants now, yeah. And what would you like me to talk about?
well, what's new and interesting? What's new and interesting?
Well, we've been exploring agroforestry. What's so cool is I didn't plan this, so I got to think for a second. But there's 80 to 90-year-old plantings where this guy was trying to feed his pigs, chickens, cows, and ducks. So he was selecting mulberry trees that bear for many months, persimmons, all manner of nut trees, and honey locusts with big pods that are real sweet. So there's people that create tree-based ecosystems to more or less be farms. So we always think of farms as bare fields. So there's a whole art and science called agroforestry that can use improved trees of different kinds to, compare that to how we do our agriculture today, right? So the animals sit in their little wire cage prisons, and we bring them some rations from a farm far away. This guy in the 20s to the 60s, a guy named John Hershey, was developing farms and producing and selling tree and shrub crops that would allow the chickens, pigs, cows to munch to their heart's content, to have carbon-friendly, wildlife-friendly, mostly native trees raining down an abundance of food. So it's a whole different image for agriculture.
And see, this is why you got to talk to Dale, because he's always on to some new technology.
Well, I mean, again, this is new and old. It's more or less a type of forest gardening, but it's more or less farming by incorporating trees by design. So you can, and this is what's so cool about this place, I can see like 30-foot apart rows where there are English walnuts and then oak trees that are selected for more acorns and not as bitter, and then these honey locusts that the pigs just love with high sugar. 3 layers of these with hazelnuts underneath, so it's multi-layered agroforestry, but it started out as young trees, and you grow your crops in between for several years, and gradually as the trees build shade, you have more understory crops, but you attract birds in this thing, and the birds give you lovely nutrients, and so you can...
Wildlife beneficial, and you're also using the mast of the nuts to produce nutrients to grow the livestock, to
the nuts, the persimmons, the honey locusts, the mulberries, the blueberries. So we discovered these remnants, and I wrote an article about it in the most recent Permaculture Design magazine. So it's about agroforestry, and I can send you the PDF of that. So yes, what's new? So it's one of the crazy new things I've been doing.
And this is from a father native plant creators and in seed production, and also a pioneer on biochar. So thanks a lot, brother.
Master J, happy to be a fly in your neighborhood.